Hey guys, so it's Sweet Miniature, and this is gonna be my first video ever, and well, my second video actually, but it's my squishy collection video. So I'll just go ahead and get started. So first I have this Corilla sandwich squishy, and it's licensed. Next I have this huge chunky donut squishy. It's really big and squishy. Next I have this waffle squishy. It's so super squishy, I love it. Next, I have this cute gourmet bun squishy. Then I have this waffle squishy. Hello Kitty waffle squishy, actually. Put that off the screen. Next, I have this burger mirror, and it's a mirror, but I don't really want to show you guys right now. But next, I have this cupcake, and it's got a face on it. It's a mad face. I love it so much. The mad face is my favorite. Then I have this Hello Kitty donut. And going along with that, I have this Hello Kitty macaron. And I'm looking for the other two of those. So next I have this Rilakkuma steam bun. I'm going to move some of these away. Next I have this like little circled donut. It's like a chunky donut or something like that. Next I have this little pink donut. It's so cute. It's one of my first ever squishies. Next I have this mini bun squishy. It's really squishy. Then I have this really cute Mickey Mouse bun squishy. Then I have this crackle bar squishy, and it's really deformed, but that's okay because I love it still. Then I have this bumblebee squishy. Sorry, that's like really dark, but it's really squishy. Then I have this donut I'm squishy, and it's like defected, but I'm going to decorate it myself. So, yep. I have this heart, and it's like I love you, and it's really squishy and really cute. I just love it. Sorry about that. Okay, I have this Rilakkuma donut squishy. Then I have these Disney Toast squishies. I have the Minnie Mouse. I have the Stitch. I have the Mickey Mouse. And I have the Pooh Bear. And then I have this Pancake Girl squishy. Really squishy. I have this Rilakkuma laying down squishy. This Totoro squishy. This strap. This milk carton like plushie. Pretty cute. This little monkey squishy, and I love it. This Halloween Rilakkuma like biscuit thing. This charm, and it's like a popcorn basket. This Rilakkuma jam cracker. This plushie, and it's like a little screen cleaner. It's a tortoise or a turtle. Then I have this little Rilakkuma squishy. It's so cute. This donut squishy. This like really deformed donut squishy. I'm going to also decorate that. This like ham and cheese sandwich squishy. This Rilakkuma pink bun squishy. I love it. This macaron charm squishy. Well, not squishy, but just a charm. This is my favorite squishy. It's like this really squishy Curatori bun, but it's really deformed. But I still love it. I made this squishy, well, I decorated it myself. It's like a cute little cream puff. Then I have this edamame bean. And it's pink, and there's green edamame in it. Then I have this bun. It's a stitch bun, and it's so cute. I have this cupcake with a happy face. I have this bun with a Pooh Bear. This cupcake, it's so cute. And last but not least, I have this basketball squishy. It's pretty big. It's really squishy. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!